Hi everyone, in front of me I've got VIVO V29 Lite, and let me share with you how to activate automatic system updates on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here in this general list we have to scroll down to the very bottom to find About Phone. Now let's scroll down and enter software information and keep tapping on the build number until you'll see that you're in the developer mode. If you want to learn more about the developer options, I highly recommend to check our tutorial about it. So now we can go back to the general settings and enter the system. Here we have to tap on developer options and now scroll down to find this option automatic system updates. All you have to do is to tap on the switcher to activate it, and from now on, of course, since this option is active, your device will apply the updates whenever it will be restarted. So you do not have to manually update your device. However, remember about restarting it from time to time so it will have a chance to download and apply the updates. Of course, you can turn this option off just by tapping on the switcher again. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.